Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if you can pay with a gift card on the McDonald's app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to go and open up the McDonald's app. So it just depends what region or country you are in using the McDonald's app. Some country or regions allow you to use a gift card, while some others don't. I'm in Australia, so I've just done this process. I've got some food in my checkout now, so I'm going to go and show you. This is my situation here. So I'm going to order this ham and cheese toasty. I'm going to go ahead and click on choose payment method, and under the payment details I'm going to click on the payment method. I've only got Google Pay or add payment method, which is my credit card details. So in Australia you can't, and a lot of other regions, but what we can do, we may still be able to use that gift card by selecting the pay in store option during checkout. So if you got that option that you can say pay in store, that's when you can go into the store and use your gift card.